Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here, finally here, and I really mean finally here, because this is a journal that I created with the Buzz into Spring papers, and that was a collab between me and Suzanne from Nonstop Papercrafts. I have to say it the other way around. And it's, I created a kit. It's only available in A4 size, and I created a kit in color, 22 pages, and then there's also a version where it's completely black and white and sepia. I'm just checking my Etsy store. It has been listed on February 27th in 2024, so it's 2.5 years ago, something like that. But I finally finished it. So before I show you the whole journal, this is the outside, the spine, the back side. It is, I'm not even sure what it is. Is it a altered book? I don't think so. Did I use a book cover? I don't think so. No, I did not use a, yes, it was an original book cover, sorry. So this is an original book cover, but I did a lot of things. Like for instance, this was part of the challenges we did. It opens up like so, and then you can flip it, and then this opens. Ooh, this is a little bit bent, and you have a writing spot over here, and it closes like so. So it's a little flip, and then this flips open, and then there is a pocket here with beautiful tags. You still can put the eyelets in. I didn't embellish every tag with eyelets because it's already a chunky monkey. A little tab thingy over here, and then also when you flip this back, this is also a pocket, and I believe there are items from the kit in a coin envelope. I just put on a little woodland elf on it. This is a packaging from from a pantyhose. So I use that in a journal, and there is also a huge pocket in here, and in here there is a envelope created from washi, book pages, and a doily, a paper doily, and tracing paper. And this just slides in here like so. And there are two signatures. There's lots of sewing going on, but this is a combination between the papers of Suzanne from Nonstop Papercrafts and my papers. And there's a lot going on. Stitching. I try to keep it a little bit grungy, because that's my thing. And this is the sepia pocket, and there's a tag and this tag, some ledger, some vintage book pages. Most of them are Dutch or Dutch English. Nature pages. This is Dutch, very Dutch, very beautiful. And there is a belly band in here with a tag that slides behind with the florals. I believe this was part of a challenge we did. Yes. Coffee dyed paper, more vintage book papers, nature themed. A little tag with a little pocket with two tags. A see-through, I don't know, this is, how do you call it? It's not a specimen slide, but it is, well, there's cheesecloth behind the pocket. This is also the sepia, and more pages over here, and there is a tab over here, and the back side of the first signature and the first at the front side of the second signature has all vellum pockets with little mason jars, as you can see, and this was part of a challenge too. And this is with the I don't know how it's called. It makes it look like real glass. Mason jar, front and the back. Another mason jar. And one over here. And then over here, specimen slide. Another specimen slide over here. And specimen slide with dried flowers. Another specimen slide. Oh, there's a piece of cut off over here. And more specimen slide over here. So, and then the second signature starts. So in here are papers from my Buzz into Spring and also from Suzanne's. And a side sock with jute and beads. Just an embellishment on the little book paper. Butterfly, old book page. Over here we have a belly band with some tickets. Yes, only over here there's room to put in a ticket. Elastic binding. Beautiful butterfly pages. Another little fun piece over here. A tag. Another tag. And these go in here. I really like this journal. It took me forever to finish it, but I did. And there is a tag in here, and these two are also in here. And these have all the florals cut out, so you can still use them to embellish the journal a little bit more. And then we have this paper, and at the back there is also something interesting. It closes like so, it opens like so. You can flip this, and then there is a huge tag, and there is a piece of vintage ledger, and this is an envelope I created, and it has a wraparound closure and some lace, and you can still tuck things in. This slides in here together with the, I need to add a little bit of glue over here, I see. I will do that right after I did the flip through. And there is a huge pocket in here too. And I have put in several items that I have not used yet, but are available to work with. So these will be also included in the pocket. There's also some French receipts in two of the pockets that I didn't include in the journal yet. And these will slide in here, and this closes like so. And then we are at the back side, and over here you have the closure. So this is the Buzz into Spring kit. It will be for sale, but I am not putting it in my Etsy yet. I'm not sure if I ever will put it in my Etsy. I'm just telling you it's for sale. I also have 2 blue journals for sale. In case you are interested, you can always send me a PM and we can see if we can work something out. But yes, this is my flip through of the Buzz into Spring, 2.5 years after I started it. But it's a fun journal. It's a chunky monkey, but it's still, it's okay. It's still, yeah, I think it's okay. So if you liked the video, leave a thumbs up. If you like it a lot, maybe you want to leave me a comment. If you're interested in a journal, you do know where to find me. And thank you so much for watching. And yes, I hope to see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.